What's up, YouTube, baby? Yeah, working on my Typhon, switching it up. Yeah, look at that space up in the front. Got space for a little cat pack. Maybe a battery to run my fans and my light. Right there. Got that little castle in there, sidewinder. You know, the BLX ESC. I'm running on sweeps. Got a 36 pinion, 34 spool, I mean. So I ain't scared to show it. She gonna book a little bit. Made them battery trays. Gotta finish them up, cut these screws down and things, put my little strap holes there, slap them on like that, slap the other one on like that. Now you're running 8S. This ESC is built for only 6S. So I can't get any throttle, but I'm nothing with it. And that's that original servo for steering. No throttle, because it's set for 6S, but bam! Looking good. Looking good, I would say. If it runs straight, yeah, we'll keep it like that. Not, you know how we do. We switch these things up overnight, bro. What's up, though? 8S. Waiting for that Hobby Wing Max 6. That's what I'm waiting on, y'all. Hobby Wing Max 6. Get rid of that BLX system I got stuck in there. And y'all gonna see this sucker. It's either gonna run good or run bad and break. My lights ain't plugged in. Let me check that. There we go. Lights on. Fans are blowing. We good. Run safe. Batteries keep my balance good. Got weight in the back, boy. Yeah. Come on, Max 6. Slap that Max 6 in here. Alright, YouTube. Just trying to show you what I'm doing. Stay up. Let's see them vids, y'all. Let's see them vids.